I need you to rip this sponge into small little pieces and put it in this container. Don't need this no more. Now, this is a can of butane, which is lighter fluid. Light it. We're adding a fencing to allow air to flow in a circular motion. And once we spin it, it creates a giant tornado effect. It's a nice little tornado effect. And if we put a balloon over it,
Oh my god.
I did this at the science fair when I was in 1st grade. The main reason I liked it is because it involved fire.
Of course.
And I was allowed to light things on fire.
I'm impressed.
The ingredients for this experiment are very simple. We have an egg that's peeled, hard-boiled, just like a standard milk bottle you could order off the internet.
The neck size is very important though.
You want it to be just smaller than an egg. How do you get the egg into this jar? Because as you can see, you can't really work. It breaks the egg. That could have been a mistake. There we go. How do you get an egg into this jar without breaking the egg and making a mess like this?
What's the secret?
The secret, Bob, is fire. First off, goggle up for safety. I'm gonna grab these papers with tongs. I'm gonna light the paper, put it in the jar, put the egg on top. Look at that, a fully intact, non-broken egg is now inside this jar. When air heats up, the molecules want to stretch out. They're moving around a lot. So when we light that fire, the air inside, ooh, it wants to stretch out. But as the flame goes out, that air starts to cool down. Then all the air molecules kind of suck back together, and it just pulls the egg right back into the jar. So now the question is, Bob, how do we get this out?
So you have to go from a vacuum to pressure.
We just blow into this jar, huh? Whoa! And there's our egg.
We should add a variable. A variable is something that you change. We have a water balloon. That's significantly bigger than the opening.
Again, if you're using fire, adult supervision is definitely required. Okay, that should get nice and hot. Oh. Now your challenge is to get that out, Bob. Oh my gosh.
That's all we get. I say we go one bigger.
Okay.
There we go. There it is. There's the blip blip.
Oh boy! Oh boy! Come on!
It's cooling.
Wow. Man, we're getting so close.
And we can't push it in either.
No.
We try.
Well,
Wait.
Well, can we? Oh. That's even cooler. So that shows you just how much this air shrinks and expands when it gets hot, right? It's a good